quick video on how to get a monthly budget from Google Sheets. There's lots of templates out there in the template gallery. I'll go ahead and put the link at the beginning of this video. So you can click that link, and what you're going to do is you can click on the monthly or annual budget. This is a great place to start. And this is going to download or create a copy of this to your Google Sheet. So you'll see you've got a summary page here, and you've got a transactions page with this little budget. You can edit the starting balance here, and you can then manipulate all the data, what we suggest in the transactions page. So over here, let's say we had groceries, so we'll spend $500 on food, or $100 on groceries this week. And then we can look back to the summary page, and we should see $100 for food. So when you set up your budget, you're going to want to put what you plan on spending here. So home, we'll say we plan 1,000 if our rent's 1,000, and then you'll see the difference between the two. So that is a monthly budget template for Google Sheets, and you can see that in my Google Drive this is saved now, this monthly budget. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.